To create a chart on Microsoft Excel, the first thing you need to know is you have to just ensure that your data is organized. I mean, the G column here, which is the days of the week, the H column, which is the sales per week, have to be organized. I mean, straight up like this. So let's assume that the sales per week on Monday is 50,000. We have 60,000 here. We have 20,000. We have 80, 60, 10. We have 25. So when you do this, the next thing you do is to highlight all the cells, okay? Just the cells you just finish filling. So when you highlight all the cells, you go to your top bar here. There's an insert here. There's an insert step here. So you go to the insert. When you go to the insert, you scroll down on which of any column that you want to. If you want this type of column, if you want the graph, this is graphs. If you want the pie charts, we have 2D charts, we have 3D, we have the donuts. This is a scatter graph from the bubble. We have histogram, box, and whisker. So whichever one you want, but the most popular one we use, or like people use, the 2D 3-bar, which is this. Okay, I love to use this, the dark one here. So you can just elongate this like this. Yeah. So right. So when you do this, you can see the output of what you just finished drawing out, and with this you can edit both the horizontal and the vertical line, because on the coordinate plane, the x-axis is the horizontal line, while the y-axis is the vertical line. So go to your top bar again. There is this side here, which is the add chart element. If you click on the add chart element, you want to edit the axis of the ties, which is the primary horizontal and the primary vertical. So the primary horizontal, which is the sales of the week, you can just type here like sales of the week. And you can pull this, just give it bigger. Yeah, so then you double click on it, on the graph again, and go to the axis here, click on the primary vertical, to edit, and click days a week, and highlight it all. Go to home, put on 16 to make it bigger. So this is how to put in your graph, and you can change the color, right? Change the color and add any color that you want to put there. So this by Premiere, and yeah, so fill. Is it? It used to be somewhere here, so you can change the color to any type of color that you want. Just choose any type of color that you want. So right, so you can just set this to whichever name you want to put it, just like a title. So you can say ABC Transport Chart. So that's it. So this is how to create a chart on Microsoft Excel.